Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Telecom Forum channel. This is Silamarasan Chandran. Today we are going to discuss about how to conduct the ping test for the Ericsson Baseband of 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G technologies. This is a common procedure which is applicable to all technologies. So we will proceed to the content. Just log in the node through Moshell. As we said earlier, this one LOUK 5400 is a site ID. Then type ALT. It will show you the list of current alarms active on the baseband. So currently there is no alarms, that is 0 alarms, 0 critical, 0 major. Then type LPR space router, which is nothing but it will print the router details which is configured on the baseband. As we all know, 4G has 3 important logical interfaces, that is O&M, control plane and user plane. If you want to conduct the ping test of the baseband towards the UTRA network, we have to conduct the ping test of O&M default gateway. So once you type the command LPR space router, it will print the list of router details. That is here OAM is nothing but O&M, then CP control plane and then UP, that is user plane. Now we have to collect the details of the O&M default router. So we have to get the details of the default gateway of O&M, that is next hop. We will call it as next hop IP address of the O&M. So we have to check the proxy value, that is 9472 is a proxy value of O&M default gateway. Again we have to type the command get space 9472. 9472 is nothing but proxy value of O&M gateway. Once you executed get space 9472, it will show you the IP details, next hop IP, then discard details, then BFT monitoring details, like this one. This is a O&M default gateway IP address, that is 10.184.81.11. Then we have to execute this command, that is MCC space 9472 is a O&M default gateway proxy value space ping space minus count space 5. Here I have typed 5 because the replay will be counted for 5 times. If you want the replay for more than 10 times, you have to type here 10 or 11 or 12, something like that. Then space 10.184.81.11. This is the IP address of the O&M gateway. Once you executed the command, you will get the result like that. See, we have mentioned number 5 here, so I am getting the replay 5 times from the UTRA network, like 64 bytes from the IP address 10.184.81.11. the time duration is 1.45 millisecond, 1.44 millisecond, 1.70 millisecond, 1.57 milliseconds. And here also you will get the summary of the ping details, like 5 packets are transmitted, 5 received, that is 0% packet loss with the time duration of 4006 milliseconds. This is a way we have to conduct the ping test of the baseband towards UTRA network. Guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.